Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mimo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. The trending yamyenim eja dere ewo NDC party no, especially the grassroots and the executives and then the MPs atiasie. Na nini na ejina approval of some people be na grassroots no so say any kwan say ya approve your mo yeba ebe approve your mo. Inti no eja dere the dending ewo NDC mo enye easy. Na nkrofo bebre na kasa mama wati ase se ase edum ketia aba bonten aba be kasa se the NDC leaders and the leadership of NDC ewo parliament no wo mo ba be ye review na Ghana ha de ye kasa ye be ye review a etrese ye ba be sesim. So we don't know whether the minority leader Haruna Idrisu wo no ankasa ne ye ba be sesa no and I said the chief whip ye friend no Muntaka. And I said the deputy minority leader or the deputy chief whip, no one knows. But the fact of the matter is, NDC for leaders no more parliament no. Yenyanti say ye baba besisim. Mama wati say endra NDC for a meeting. Na mesremo ansi ye beto ansem ne so no. I just want you to subscribe to our new YouTube channel. Enche ye beko ho intino. Yempesa obe me say out link no our description box ni mo o subscribe ya ye ni ebeje inti quickly yanko nsem ni mo na etie for this matter. It is very serious and very, very interesting. What I'll do is I'll read several articles on this particular thing. How na do sunankasa no wakasa utie kasa waka utumi hu ne say he himself me say he himself bro fu be ni he himself as a wonim the baba besi, and so he has said something. Now nini na so no yanko some elements of the NDC wo mo kasa. Now nipa ba kwa wakasa avoka oyobi a your former majority leader Cletus Avoka and I'm talking avoka mo fan cheme. Into the former majority leader of NDC I friend Cletus Avoka. What then sembia ba betuja. Na ono so nsemo a wo ka no dear walk at NDC now one NDC ni dear walk at NDC ne say so one more name no more Haruna Idrisu it will divide the minority caucus. I say one more Haruna Idrisu NDC for one team ebe chese ten our parliament. Now Obibe Bisa say why is it that Cletus Avoka will be saying something like this? Could it be say indeed ono so ate ana ono so enya hu say ye baba besesa Haruna Idrisu ana? It is a question that will be answered when the review comes. But in some wa kan ni okasa ewo Star FM na some wa kan no say there should be no change in leadership of the minority. I will not advocate that. I think the totality of their performance is positive. Haruna and his people have done well. If you make the mistake of changing them, you divide the caucus. In the interest of the party and in the interest of Ghana Parliament, we don't want to rock the boat. On the balance of achievement, I think Haruna Idrisu has done well to continue to be the leader of the NDC caucus. Asema waka no. Na woriye no ka say wo hwe Okujato Ablakwa na resignation in nsensem a wakasa wo so say as Okujato erashe it was a rash decision. Or say Ablakwa's resignation from the appointment committee is very unfortunate. He's a gentleman, he's a good MP, but I don't think resignation can be said to be the best. I'll be surprised if more MPs resign from the appointment committee because we have met and ironed out our differences. Into asama work no. Once earlier on today, me ma what here say NDC for a meeting. Inti Cletus Avoka nso a confirm say indeed omo meeting e ma chese woman iron out. Will be iron out the difference. Now, this is what Cletus Avoka, the former majority leader in Brana NDC ewa abanmu no. This is what he has said. Was say NDC for SSA Haruna Idrisu as minority leader ebeche NDC mu. Now, someone who also played executive role ɛwɔ NDC mu no ɔno nso aba abɔnten aba abɛkasa na sɛ nipa koro yi yɛfrɛ no Anita Disoso etiefo me sure say obia enim Anita Disoso. Now he me say I didn't make mistakes. She is the former first national vice chair of the NDC. Waba bonti aba kasa categorically speaking was say NDC answer Haruna Idrisu as minority a wobe organizing Crawford now one demonstrate against the party leaders. That is what Anita Disoso is saying. Anita Disoso, the former first national chair of the NDC, they work on no. Now, according to her, was say you replace the current leadership, the NDC current leadership, it will assure the party base, the grassroots, the foot soldiers. It will assure them. Said the latest chaos here. Nominees and something it will assure them say okay sisiano the rank and file of the party no aso asem mpenyifo asom. This is what she said. I said if they don't change these guys now, I will personally lead a demonstration against the leadership because this can't continue anymore. I said the Judas within the party are being exposed and it is time to remove them. As someone Anita Disoso wakan yeni ono nso kwakasa e wakasapa FM in someone wodi tu jano no. Now you have a former majority leader saying say maintain. You have a former party executive saying say munyino, and this simply just this simply tells you the Americano there is a divide in the NDC right now. The grassroots are not happy with especially the MPs over appointments in Sensemi. As same way as a baby air kono sisiano eya ko too far because me share social media and crophobia no mo kasa ema NDC na saying the omo ye na enye easy no mo aba posti ebia MPs be pictures no mo kan na say allegation bia na saying ba akokra de ba ebia I'll cover that story later. Allegation bia ba akokra wo de ba na say wo say wonu de wo gidi say NDC MPs na wo mo appointment committee ne so no ogidi say say MPP for e wo mo sex tapes inti MPP for e the sex tapes no e da wo mo ana MPP for e the sex tapes no e threaten wo mo say hey wo say mo approve ya sa na ne ba koneka ogidi pa interna because on tiase said ye wo mo call the court de yo mo ne nyama na mo nso sabe you have the opportunity to do the same na mo akoye say. So you see say there is a disconnect, a great disconnect between the party executives, especially not the executives as much, but the party leaders in parliament and then the grassroots. Anita Disoso ekasa. Now, Haruna Idrisu nankasa akasa. Now, someone walking was say there is nothing you can throw at him that will know Haruna Idrisu can't survive. And he has dared his internal enemies. MyNewsGH.com. They have an article on that. Minority leader dares internal enemies. Internal enemies, not just encrophobia or more NDC more. Sisia or more Casetiano, and Ancrophobia or more Epese or no Haruna Idrisu, Yasesano as minority leader. I say, dear mobile ye. Afan who be a demobe twabo or no Haruna Idrisu biano. In dear mobile ye be a enconco siaga. Asema wakano no. Now he spoke at a press conference in Parliament, Endra, and or didn't same way na etuja. Now the okaini one say na enkrofo so can say asiedun kitia yema ni the position our Parliament. Mama wati asiedun kitia so yema the position our Parliament. He's part of the Parliamentary Service Board. Ebi mo ka say asiedun kitia yema ni position no. Enu hunti ne de approve Kenofowiata. Nti eno nso sobo bi a ye de bo Haruna Idrisu because he is the minority leader. Asema wakan ni. Was the discussion on members of the Parliamentary Service Board ensued long before Ken Ofori-Atta was nominated as Minister for Finance. So it is not true that Honorable Asiedu Nketia has anything to do with the approval of Ken Ofori-Atta. But see, this is the usual viciousness, malicious and despicable lies to tie the two together. Asiedu Nketia is as qualified as any Ghanaian. I have survived undermining. I will survive this one too. Wase ye den sema to ne so wa survive. Ye san so de to ne so sisi ase woni Asiedu Nketia ye one. And no more approve Ken Ofori-Atta. Wase sa we nso a wo mo asa ase e de to ne so no eno nso wo be survive. Wase the party organ, the minority led by me currently will do what is needful to work in tandem with the party to hold the Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo government accountable and to lead the party into victory in 2024. So now the question is, the NDC, are they going to change Haruna Iddrisu or not? Seemingly, the grassroots are saying they should change him. Some top people are also saying Dabi, maintain him, what's the sana, and then send baby beba. Ubisa me personally, I see say Haruna Iddrisu is fit for the minority leadership position. And I go with Cletus Avoka. So what's the Haruna Iddrisu? Me who say Eden Sembeba. It will bring a great divide because see, a lot of people like that man. The way he speaks, and Asem Naba, we all don't know the details of the recent in Semwa Abano. For all you know, Nipa there, people don't want to speak, but we all don't know the details. But I Asem Naba, but you can't deny the fact that Haruna Iddrisu is a good minority leader. Share in Semba our parliament, the way he raises concern, the way he raises in Semno, the arguments he brings aboard. Arguments are what the banning Yamabu said the man is extremely intelligent man. Or Kasakrana into Sameno, me when they say NDC force sana ever hard drink. Because believe it or not, there are still some NDC people be our more parliamentary. They owe allegiance to him in a way because maybe they like his leadership style. Obviously, it will bring a divide. You create an enemy for the new person you appoint as the minority leader. So please, NDC for the leadership in parliament. But me who sense here. Just settle the matter out. And do a meeting ekasai. Settle the matter out. Muma Mahama Mra Bonting, any grassroots no mekasa. Because social media, a lot of people are calling for Mahama to speak on the internal issues. So just settle the matter out, and then I believe the grassroots no the bechemo. Moncha madri or comment box nimo. That's it.